Welcome to Cashbag Online, where money speaks. In the digital age, opportunities to make money online have flourished, and editing and proofreading stand out as accessible avenues for those with a keen eye for detail. This craft not only hones your critical thinking, but also opens doors to a steady income stream. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting, understanding the fundamentals of this field can set you on the path to success. To embark on your editing and proofreading journey, begin by building a strong foundation in language skills. Familiarize yourself with grammar rules, punctuation nuances, and stylistic choices. Online resources and courses can provide valuable guidance in mastering these essential tools. Understanding branded styles, such as AP or Chicago Manual, can give you an edge, enabling you to cater to diverse client needs. Rely on practice to refine your skills. Offer free services to friends or local businesses, creating a portfolio that showcases your talent. Establishing a professional online presence is vital to attract clients. Create a website or a dedicated LinkedIn profile that highlights your services, experience, and client testimonials. Joining freelance platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr can expose you to a wider range of potential clients. Make sure to optimize your profiles with keywords related to editing and proofreading to enhance visibility. Don't hesitate to network with writers, authors, and other professionals in the field. They can recommend your services and help you grow your client base. Setting your rates can be challenging. Research industry standards and consider your level of expertise when pricing your services. Whether you opt for hourly rates or per project fees, ensure that your pricing reflects the quality of your work. As you gain experience and build your reputation, you can progressively adjust your rates accordingly. Client satisfaction will fuel word-of-mouth referrals, leading to enhanced opportunities over time. As you progress, additional revenue streams can emerge from your editing and proofreading services. Consider offering specialized content editing, ebook formatting, or even writing workshops. Each of these extensions not only boosts your income, but enriches your professional experience. Moreover, continuing education through webinars or certification programs keeps your skills sharp and relevant. The world of editing and proofreading continues to thrive, making it an enriching path for those seeking to earn money online.